Alright, y'all, so I'm on a quick meal tonight, okay? So I have to make something really quick. So I got this dirty rice mix from the dollar store. I have some diced up red, yellow, and orange bell pepper with some garlic paste. Here's that garlic paste. And then I have some black beans. We gonna turn this into something spectacular. Alright, so I have the bell pepper and garlic mix sauteing in the pan with some butter. I'm going to let this saute just a little bit more, then I'm going to go ahead and add my black beans. So just give it about a minute. I just want it to get like a nice little, not too caramelized, but just enough. And I'm going to add the black beans, some salt, and a little onion powder. I'm not going to need any pepper because once I add the rice mix, that has pepper already in it. So yeah, just give me one moment. Let me go ahead and add my black beans. And my black beans are drained off. And if you hear K-pop in the background, that's my daughter. She is a huge K-pop fan, so we just gonna have to deal with the noise. And we're gonna let the black beans saute a little bit more, and then I'm gonna add my rice. Now, since I am using double, I do have. All right, so we have our bean and bell pepper and garlic mix all sauteed down. So at this point, what we can do is we are gonna go ahead and add our rice in. Literally, this meal will take you maybe about 15 minutes. You can add grilled chicken to it if you want to on top. You can add a steak on the side. You can add fish on the side. Like, this meal will definitely get you through, and it's very inexpensive. Alright, so I have my rice incorporated in. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my liquid and let this saute and let this just cook down. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. Cover it. Put it on make. When all actuality, this takes maybe 15 minutes to cook. That's it. But yeah, I will show y'all the finished results. But yeah, go ahead, stir it around just a little bit, and then cover it 15 minutes on low, and you're good to go, y'all. I'll come back with the finished result. Alright, so here is my protein to go with my rice. I'm searing off some lamb chops. Once I have them seared off and resting, what I'm going to do is while they're resting, I'm going to make a garlic butter sauce to, you know, smear all over them. So this is my protein to go with my rice. Alright, so I have my lamb chops all done. I poured my garlic butter sauce on them. I added some parsley because you gotta have some food grass, you know, presentation. But here are my lamb chops. I cooked them at medium rare because I don't like them like hockey pucks, because these are basically like steaks. But anyway, the kids like it. Tony likes it. We all good. But this is what they look like. Now I'm going to show you the rice. Alright, our rice is done. As you guys can see, it's nice and fluffy. It's not stiff. You guys, this is going to be so good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plate, and then I'm going to go ahead and eat and enjoy my food. So, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all night. Thank you for watching my quick little Cooking with Aya segment. Y'all already know what to do. If y'all want to see this on YouTube, of course, you got to comment.